Today we are doing an unbagging of Zanzea shirts from eBay. Okay, I bit. They were having a sale on eBay and my shirts were looking a little peaked. So I thought, these were $9 in USD equivalent. I'm like, I'm going to get a size bigger than I think I need because they're coming from China and they have really small sizes. So I'm like, this should be plenty big enough. So they come in a really cute little bag. The little Zanzea tag. My new shirts. They're quite nice. The only thing that I'm not liking is they're a little shorter on the armpit to waist measurement than I would like, but you cannot have everything. And they have some really cute feet here. I was also worried about the quality of the stitching, I know, but they actually are quite nice. There's no loose stitching. It is 100% poly, which I'm not a fan of. I was just reading online that in order to keep your poly clothes looking nice, you can wash them in vinegar without fabric softener. I will do that. This is the first one, $9.10 USD equivalent. And this is the second one. I got blue and green. I have blue, green, and sand color, and I just really wasn't into the beigey thing. I might get one that's kind of the color of labradorite. It's kind of a goldish tannish brown, I don't know. But the beigey white one, I'm like, no, I don't want to have one. But these are quite nice. Hey. Okay, I'd have to unwrinkle them. Check it at the round table. Bye!